Jamaica's recovery plans are getting a major boost. More than $6 billion has been pledged in assistance from leading international financial institutions. David Thomas has the details.
To receive a massive international support package of up to $6.7 billion over the next 3 years to aid recovery and reconstruction following Hurricane Melissa. The fund comes from 5 major institutions: the World Bank Group, International Monetary Fund, International American Development Bank, Caribbean Development Bank, and CAF at the request of Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness. The package combines emergency financing, grants, and private sector investment. But with the national damage estimated at $8.8 billion, that's equivalent to 41% of the country's 2024 GDP, the road to recovery will require sustained investment. Therefore, over the next 3 years, $3.6 billion could also be provided to support national reconstruction. This includes up to $1 billion each from the CAF and the World Bank, $1 billion from IDB, $200 million from the CDB, and $450 million from the IMF through its rapid financing instrument. This unified response aims to help Jamaica rebuild responsibly and strengthen Jamaica's resilience against future disasters. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has announced that a body, the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority, will be established under law to lead the reconstruction. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.